Hey there, this is Andrew from ClickFunnels support team. In this video, you're going to learn how to pass contact information from ClickFunnels to Aweber via API. In order to do that, you will need an opt-in page built in ClickFunnels, and you will also need to create a sign-up form in Aweber. Otherwise, you will see errors such as, for instance, mailing list not active in Aweber. Note that the only fields that you can pass to Aweber via API are full name, or if you decide to break it into two fields, this will be the first name and last name, and also the email field. So let's go ahead and configure the page that I want to be my opt-in page. And for instance, I want to pass not only the email field on it, but also the full name field. I will go ahead and add this input form, and we'll configure this to be of full name type. I will also change the placeholder text to be full name. And I can make it required, but I will not do that. So this is the page we are going to drive traffic to, and from this page, the contact information should go to Aweber. In order for this, you will have to create a sign-up form for the list that you want them to be added to upon opting in. So in this case, you will have to go to Manage Lists in Aweber and create a list if you don't have a list. In this particular case, I also already have a list, and it is called Test ClickFunnels List. And we will have to go to Sign-up Forms, select this list, and create your first sign-up form by clicking this button. The fields in the sign-up form of Aweber should match the fields that you have on your ClickFunnels opt-in pages. In this particular case, we have a full name input form and also an email input form, and of course, submit the page button. In this case, this form that Aweber has already pre-built for us will work just fine. If you had, for example, first name and last name fields, you could select them by clicking on the full name field and change it to first name and last name, and that will be changed automatically. So if you want to remove those fields, you can click remove field or click this red cross icon if you, for example, are gathering only the email input form. And we shall go ahead to the step number 2. In this case, you can change the name for this particular sign-up form. I will not do that. And in the thank you page field, we will go ahead and select our custom page. If you don't do that, the Aweber will show them the basic version of the thank you page by default. You can preview that by clicking preview button, but we will go ahead and build the custom input form here. And in this case, we already have a thank you page built in ClickFunnels. In order to grab the URL for it, you will have to go to this funnel step and copy the URL that you can find here. You will have to copy that and paste it instead of this URL. And you can set it to open in a new window, but I will not do that. So I will not tick out this box. And if they are already subscribed, you can show them the custom URL. For instance, if you have a page built for that in ClickFunnels, you can show them this URL, but I will not do that. So I will go ahead and save the form. And you will not need to go to step 3 if you want to pass this information via API. So what we are going to do is to go to this test opt-in page. And of course, you have to be integrated with Aweber to do that. And we will add this integration in the email integration field. So we shall go ahead to the editor. We will go ahead to the settings, integrations, select the Aweber integration here. Action will be integrate existing form, since we have already created that. And we will go ahead and refresh the list from API to make sure that this is up to date, and select the test ClickFunnels list from here. After that, we will go ahead and click save, and we will preview the page in incognito mode. I will go ahead and test it out. And I will click submit the page button. It will take me to the thank you page of mine. And after that, I should receive the confirmation email since my account is brand new. In order to do that, I will go ahead and confirm the subscription of mine by clicking the link in this confirmation email to be added to Aweber lists. So bear with me for a moment. After you receive this email and click the confirmation link, you should be added to Aweber without any issues. And in order to check that, you will have to go to Subscribers tab, click Manage Subscribers, and you will see that this information of my full name, which was Andrew Test, and the email, which was andres@clickfunnels.com, passed without any issue. And this is how you make contact information pass to Aweber via API. If you have any questions regarding this subject, or if you have any issues, feel free to reach out to our awesome support team and we will give you a hand with the setup. Thank you.